Well, we are trying something new this weekend. We're trying a new campground.
We are.
And we're sitting in this vacant lot right across the street from the campground because this campground does not let you in till 2 o'clock.
And we are a little early.
Yeah, we're about 15 minutes early.
Right.
Now, here's the thing. One of the reasons that we want to try this campground is because it does things different. So you have to have a code to get into the campground, and then you have to have, what, you scan or something to get your water?
No.
Yeah,
No.
to unlock your...
No, once we check in through email, it'll send a message to our site and it turns on the electricity and the water.
Well, there you go. So the name of this campground is what?
It is...
River Edge.
Yes, hold on.
And it's, while she looks that up, it's in Clatskanie, Oregon, which is right off of Highway 30. And it's a neat little town. Not a whole lot to do here, but it is right along the Columbia River.
Right, we pass it all the time. Well, it's fairly new. It's what, a year old now?
Yeah.
But we've passed it for the last couple years as they were building it and just decided we should try it this weekend.
Yeah.
So
what's the name of it?
It's called River's Edge RV Resort and Camping.
Resort.
So we're gonna we're gonna have to see what resort means.
You know what happened the last time we were at a resort?
Yeah, it was not good.
It was not a resort.
Yeah, it wasn't.
Nor, yeah, that was a story. So anyway, this place is brand new, and every time we drive by it, we see the pads are beautiful.
Oh, they're so level.
And everything looks beautiful, and we've just never been here. So we thought, we've got Teresa had today off, and so we thought we'd get down here early, but you can't check in till 2 o'clock.
So here we are. We've got about 10 more minutes, and then we can go over there and check it out.
Yeah, unfortunately, because we live an hour and 18 minutes, but you never know what you're going to get with 205 and the I-5 merge. So we left just a little, well, we left 10 minutes early, and now we're 10 minutes early.
Yeah.
So if we would have just left on time, it is what it is.
It's fine.
So we'll take you with us this weekend. We'll show you the campground and let you know if it actually is a resort. Now we have a back-end site, which is right along the river, but not the Columbia River. So I don't know what, it's part of the slough, I think, but it's not on the Columbia itself, because the Columbia is back behind us over here. So anyway, we'll check it out. We'll take you along with us, and hopefully you enjoy it as much as we do.
Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything, with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
There we go. All set up.
Yep.
Super easy back in.
Yeah. Oh,
One of the best back ins I've ever done.
the easiest ones we've ever had.
These pads are totally level. Yeah, we didn't have to do any leveling at all.
Most of them are pull-throughs, though.
Yeah, we're on the river side, and we'll show you what we got back there, but we're on the river side, so it's a back-end site. My sister and brother-in-law are right next to us. Our other friends are coming in. Don't know where they're going to be.
I think they're just right across the
Could be.
way.
But
the guy said that the salmon are jumping in the little river behind us, so we need to go out
yeah,
there.
I don't know where. Yeah, we still got to figure out what that is. But anyway, real easy to get back into. So we'll show you what we got going on outside. Okay, so everything's set up. We're just taking the dogs on a little walk. Met the camp host.
Richard, he's a pretty nice guy.
Yeah, and basically his function here is to keep the grass cut, because everything else is electronic check-in, electronic billing, everything. In fact, the office isn't even open. Can't even get a map. But we're gonna walk over here by the river. Like we said earlier, the pads are gorgeous and level, and there are about a dozen sites here that are gravel, and I don't know what the story is there, because these meters aren't even on.
Oh, yeah.
But those are over there, and those are gravel sites, and they have meters.
They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much.
So they got a couple of these pavilions over here with some kayaks and canoes. What I would like to do is bring our kayaks down here and kayak this. I don't know where it ends up or goes.
We have to find out how far it is.
Yeah. Looks like they're getting ready for a big bonfire over here.
Nice fire pit.
That's a big one. Yeah, but this looks like it probably flows, because the current's going that way.
Yeah.
It probably flows to the Columbia.
Tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
So we're over in this other section. The sites are in the 30s. And what did he say, 100 and, how many sites? 100 and?
110? 100 and...
Well, here's 102. 104.
104.
Yeah, they have 104 sites here. And these that are behind us are a little shorter, but it's all full hookup. And super, super nice. Very clean. So far, super quiet. Now, Highway 30 is right there. You can see the traffic. I don't know, when we were sitting in the Montana, it didn't sound like, I didn't hear the traffic, so.
Yeah, but we had the TV on, so that's...
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got to do this.
Well, we're gonna have to...
We should have brought our kayaks.
I'm not going in this one in November.
Why not? You don't have to get wet.
Yeah, no, it's too cold.
Too cold. You just stay dry.
Okay, last time I didn't stay dry. I mean,
Well, we wouldn't take the dogs.
Yeah,
That's for sure. But this bends around again, so it's got to go.
Well, let's go look.
Got to go up there somewhere. We need to look at the map, but
Let's walk by the office and see if they're open. 2, 3, 4.
yeah. As soon as we checked in, the host came and was talking with us, and they didn't want rugs out because they just planted, and all the grass is coming in, so that's nice. Ooh, those are bathrooms and shower houses. They got a bathroom shower house over here.
Is that a shower house? I
Yeah.
thought it was just bathroom.
Well, I think there's a shower house behind it.
Oh, okay. We'll have to look.
They got
up.
propane, so it's got to be hot water.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
we'll find out.
But yeah, it's nice. Now I will tell you that if you want to stay here and play here, you got to pay.
Yeah.
What is it?
It was $65 a night.
65 bucks a night, and that's off season. So I don't know if it's the same So we're right here right now, and we're in site 88. So yeah, here's the Clatskanie River. So now we know what the name of the river is.
It's Clatskanie
The
River.
Clatskanie River, and that flows out to the Columbia up here. So yeah, oh, there's 10 tent sites,
Yes.
and they're over
And look, they've got
in that corner.
they've got one fire. They've got lots of fire pits along the way.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay.
So when you come in, you go to the gate here, and you put in the code that they gave you. And as soon as you put in the code that they gave you, it activates the electric in your site.
No, it doesn't. You have to go to the email and press the button that says that we're here.
You check in.
You check in, and that activates it.
Okay, and then they make sure to tell you to check out.
Because then it turns off the electricity.
Right, and anything over a certain amount,
After $5.
after $5 or whatever on the meter. So if you don't check out and that meter continues to run, well, you're going to end up paying for it. So this is the clubhouse behind us, and I wonder if they have future plans for that, because there's nothing in there right now. There's like a table.
A couple tables and some games.
Yeah, you could buy a sweatshirt.
Or a glass.
Yeah, they got some nice glasses. And then the city of Clatskanie is right there, beyond those trees there. And it's just a little town. And they have QR codes everywhere that you could use to check in, to buy firewood. Yeah, here's the tent sites. Tent sites. Is that, oh, that is a kid's playground. They got a pickleball court over here. And plenty of things for the dogs to smell and pee on. Here, let's go over the dog runs. So they have 2 dog runs. This is for smaller breeds. And then this one over here is for bigger breeds. So I guess it's just a matter of size. And I don't know that if you put a small dog in that, you get penalized.
No, because that's where I put Chunk and Sadie with Allie and
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
Yeah, so there is not a lot of shade at this point. But again, November here right now, so it's not that big a deal. But I see that they have planted trees all throughout the park. So, yeah, about 10 years, they're gonna be big trees. And but it's nice because they didn't plant like oaks like they did at Fort Leonard Wood, that are gonna eventually tear up all of the pads. So this is our site. We're in site 88, and looking to the back of our rig right here, we're back right up to the Clatskanie River right there, and it just flows that way into the Columbia. And the Columbia River is just on the other side of that hill right out in front of us right here.
I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
I always think it's weird. So I always think it's weird when people show like the shower houses and stuff. But these are little cabins, and they're individuals individual, so there's a shower, toilet.
Just hold on tight, it'll be alright.
But yeah, these are really, really nice, and they're brand new, and they're really nice and clean. And it looks like there's what, restrooms, and then like 2 of the shower houses right here, and then in the office that's back there, we took a tour of that earlier, and they have showers up there too, and he was telling us that that's probably going to be open next year, and they're putting like a game room in there, an activity room, like a meeting room, and then there's bathrooms and showers right up there. Okay, well,
Taking the tour of the resort.
Last night, very little road noise.
Yeah, we did.
Highway 30 surprised me; it wasn't loud. Okay, so the question is, resort or not a resort? Resort or not a resort?
Not a resort yet, because they are planning on like putting in a putt-putt golf course.
Yeah.
And they're going to be getting the office into a community center, which is awesome. I think we've got pictures and video of that.
Yeah.
So it's in the process of becoming a resort.
Yeah, so it's only a year old, and the new owners, or the owners that bought this field and everything, yeah, they're trying to turn it into a resort.
It just takes time and money.
It's got lots of money, and that's what he was saying.
Yeah.
That right now the driving factor is budget.
Yeah.
So we totally understand. Enjoy our stay here. The sites are amazing. The staff is friendly. What little staff there is, it's a host. And yeah, I think we'll be back here.
Oh, definitely.
We definitely have to bring our talents.
Yes.
So, all right, if you're ever in Clatskanie, Oregon, be sure to hop in here. It's worth the night stay, or a couple nights.
And we're only 37 miles from Astoria.
Yeah, 37 miles from Astoria, 15 miles from Rainier. We're only about 40 miles from Portland. Is it? Or is it 60?
I think it's more 60 because it
Could be 60.
because it's over an hour to get here.
Yeah, but that's because anyway, you're close in. So if you're passing through, or you're heading out to the coast from the Portland area, definitely worth a stop in. Okay, that's gonna do it. We will see you next Sunday.
You heard it, you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.